Hey guys, welcome back to my series of videos where I'm solving all of LeetCode's problems. And right now I just solved 414 third maximum number. So let me just read this and then I'll explain to you what it means because I didn't really get it the first time. Given an integer array nums, return the third distinct maximum number in this array. If the third maximum does not exist, return the maximum number. So what does that mean? Let's say you have an array that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to get, pretty much what you want to do is you want to sort the array and you want to return the third last position of the unique ones. So if this is like 4, 4, 5, you want to remove it and return this. So one way of doing it, actually, to be like super simple about it, is list set of nums vals and then vals.sort, and if vals length of vals is smaller or equal to 2, then you just return vals minus 1, which is the maximum value. Otherwise, you return vals minus 3. Okay, that's one way to do it, and I even got a better result with this. If you don't want to sort the arrays, what you can do is, let's say you have this value, this array. What you can do is you create an array with none, none, none. And you iterate over the array, over this one. And you get, okay, number 1 here. Okay, is number 1 bigger than this one here? It is? Okay, so then let's replace it. So now we have 1 here. Oh, I can't do this. Really? Okay. 1. And then you continue the iteration and now we go to 2. Okay, is 2 bigger than 1? Yes. If it is, then all of the other ones to the right, you move them. So you delete this one and you move this one over here, and then you move this one, and then you make way for the 2. And you repeat the iteration. You go to 3. Let's imagine, no, there's not a 3 here, there's a 1. So you ignore it. So no, you actually, you check if the 2, if 1 is bigger than 2, it's not. Let's check if 1 is bigger than 1. It's not, and it's equal. If it's equal, we don't even check the last one because we don't want repeated ones. So we move on to 4, and 4 is the same thing. It's bigger than 2, so we move 1 over here. So we delete this one. We move 1 over here. We move 2 over here. And we put the 4 there. And we do the same thing for the 5. And if we found a number that was bigger than 2 but not bigger than 4, like 3, let's say we found a 3 like here. 3, something like this. Then 3 is not bigger than 4. 3 is bigger than 2 though. So we delete the 1. We move the 2. And we put the 3. That's one way of doing it. And I have the code here. So I have maximum numbers, so I iterate. I check if it's none or bigger, then I iterate over it and I move the numbers from the max numbers array, I place it, and yeah, I just do the same thing. If max, and this is like the last part, if let's say we only have the array 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then we don't have a third best, so we return this. Otherwise, we return the third position of this free item array. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it and submit it so you guys see that it works. It also works, but it does worse than just sorting things. Well, I hope you guys liked it.